Hi Climate Kids, Audrey here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make watercolor wave paper. It demonstrates the effects of ocean acidification, which is when pollution in the form of carbon dioxide in the air is absorbed by the ocean and makes the ocean become more acidic, which can be harmful to our little fish friends. This paper is great as an art project in itself, a card, or to cut out into whatever shape you want. So let's get started. What you need for this experiment is any kind of vinegar. I have white vinegar, but you can use apple cider, rice vinegar, or any other kind. Some baking soda, some salt, some food coloring, and the thickest piece of paper you can find. So what we're going to do is start by putting a thin coating of vinegar onto the paper. You can use a paintbrush, a paper towel, or I just use my hands to get it to coat nicely. I'm even going to use a little bit more just to make sure it's nice and covered. This vinegar is acidic, which represents the ocean acidification that's happening, or the acid content that's being brought into the water. Next, to make your waves, take the food coloring and drop it into whatever pattern you would like. You can even use more than one color to mix it up. Next, tilt the paper to swirl the colors a little bit. This makes your waves. And last, sprinkle some salt, just like the salt into the ocean, onto your paper. The salt crystals will absorb some of the water and give you a cool design. And lastly, we'll take baking soda and sprinkle some onto it as well. The fizzing is a reaction between the acid in the vinegar and the base of the baking soda. Now that you've got your mini ocean waves going on, let it dry. All right, so now that everything is completely dry, brush the baking soda and salt off, and you are left with a piece of art. You can see where the baking soda and the salt interacted with the vinegar, leaving behind really interesting wave designs. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all next time.